Welcome back to another tutorial. Let's make this quick. Okay, so you'll come in, log into your Firebase, go to here, authentication. I think you have to, screen before this is like quite easy to click through whatever it was, and then come into email and password, make that enabled. So enabled, save, leave this one enabled, save that there. That's all done. Come back up here, click user. I've already added 2 users, but you get the idea. Add user to enter the email and password. It doesn't have to be a real email, just anything made up, probably with an @ symbol in there. Password can be password. Okay, once that's done, we'll go to the project. Big thing here is a strange error. Get rid of these. Yours will have these curly braces. Get rid of those, or you're gonna get. I'll show you the error you get. 1 second. You'll get this error at the end of the thing once you've done everything. So you won't be able to test it out yet. Log in. Oh, sorry. So that's it working, and this is it not working. Save. Yeah, this.props.sign is not a function. So to avoid that error, make sure you come in here, because it seems to cross-reference what we're about to do now. Okay, save that. So you're going to go to the store, actions, create this folder, authactions.js. So what's inside there? We create this sign in function, takes in the email and password, and then calls firebase.auth sign in with email and password. Make sure you get the spelling correct. Does all this. That says yep, you're logged in, or no, you're not. So everything's good. I'll go .then dispatch this to the reducer, or if something went wrong, it's going to dispatch this to the reducer. So yeah, do all this. Then you want to go to the auth reducer. Do all this. So here's where it's going to match, and then return this state, the auth error. So we'll return an auth error, login failed if you got a login error, or if you logged in successfully, the auth error will be null. So later, when you have no error, you're going to be able to see things like create post, or if you're not logged in, then you're not going to be able to see that, and you'll see things such as register, sign in, and likewise. So once you've got all this, come to the sign in, import connect to connect map dispatch to props and map state to props down the bottom, and then import sign in from auth actions, which you've just made here. So import sign in from //store /actions /auth actions. Okay, come back to this at the end. So come down here, you want to map state to props, with the auth error, and then map dispatch to props. So we'll have the sign in method, which we'll call the sign in method that we just made in auth actions. So sign in will take creds, which is this dot state, pass the creds through here, This will dispatch to the reducer. But sorry, to get to there, once you've done all this here, you'll have this log the state. So up here you want to go this.props.sign in. So now when you hit submit or hit enter after filling out the form, it's going to call this.props.sign in with the state, which will be the email and password. So that triggers this here. So that's calling this here with sys batches to the auth reducer. So if you successfully logged in, or if you're not, comes here, the match is here, so it'll return login failed if you didn't log in successfully, or successful, auth error will be null, and then you'll be able to see certain things, but we'll do that in later lessons. So should be all good. Once again, I'll just remind you, get rid of these curly braces, because then it will confuse that with the function that you created. I don't know why it does that. Perhaps someone could tell me down in the comments. But yeah, it seems to cross-reference it. Okay, it seems my data's getting full anyway, so I'll see you in the next lesson when we'll carry on.